Hello, starry traveler. Today I will draw Bluey as a wizard, holding her broomstick and flying high across the glowing night sky. While the drawing slowly appears, let's leap into a magical story where every breeze carries a sparkle and every star whispers a secret. But first, please like this video and subscribe my channel, so more enchanted adventures can dance into your world each day. Now tell me, if you had a flying broom, where would you soar first? The moon was bright, silver spilling across the yard. Bluey stood proudly, wearing a big wizard hat that flopped over her ears. In her paw, she gripped a wooden broomstick. "Tonight," she whispered, "I'll fly." Bingo clapped her paws. "Go, Bluey! Cast a spell." Mom and Dad watched with smiles, while Lucky peeked from the fence, curious. Bluey closed her eyes, tapped the broomstick, and whispered, "Up, up, away!" The broom trembled, lifted gently, and then, whoosh, she soared into the sky. "Can you stretch your arms wide like wings too?" she asked. "Pretend you're flying with me through the stars." The wind brushed her fur, cool and smooth. The houses below turned small, the trees looked like tiny toys, and the clouds floated like marshmallows. Bluey giggled with joy. "Look at me!" she called. Bingo hopped around below, waving both paws. "Bluey, do a spin!" Bluey twirled the broom, circling through the night. Click! She snapped a picture with her little camera from above, catching the glow of the world below. Then came the adventure. A flock of glowing butterflies appeared, fluttering around her like sparkles. "Welcome, Wizard Pup!" they chimed softly. Bluey laughed and followed them, broom weaving in gentle curves. Down below, Dad called, "Don't forget bedtime, Wizard!" Bluey giggled. "Not yet!" She dipped low, brushing the treetops, and then soared back up. Lucky shouted, "Race the clouds!" Bluey leaned forward, the broom speeding faster. The stars above twinkled like cheering friends. "Can you lean forward too?" she asked. "Pretend your broom is zooming quick." She zipped past the glowing butterflies, then slowed down near the moon. The big round face seemed to smile. "Keep dreaming, little one," it hummed. Bluey waved. "I will." Finally, the broom circled gently back toward home. Her paws felt tired, but her heart glowed. She landed softly in the yard, sand crunching beneath her feet. Bingo rushed over. "That was amazing!" Bluey set the broom down and hugged her sister. "Magic isn't just in spells," she whispered. "It's in how we share the fun." The night grew calm. Mom tucked a blanket over Bluey and Bingo, who lay on the grass gazing up. The stars sparkled kindly, as if nodding. "Can you close your eyes?" Bluey whispered, "and imagine yourself flying too, through stars, through clouds, through dreams?" So close your eyes, let magic start, with broomstick bright and beating heart. The night will sing, the stars will gleam, and carry you gently into your dream.